Look at the window! What is that? What happened?
The shark hit the submarine!
Look out the window, Leo. Wow. The water is so blue. I see a big fish.
This submarine is amazing. We are deep in the ocean.
Max likes the fish too. Look at the window! What is that? It is a giant shark! What happened?
The shark hit the submarine!
It is completely dark. The lights are out.
The engine stopped. Nobody move. Stay in your seats.
The submarine is moving.
Yes, we are going down. We are sinking.
I cannot see anything. Is the shark still there? I am scared. Take a deep breath, Leo. We are safe inside. Just hold my hand.
We stopped. We hit the bottom.
Check your phone, Tom. Call emergency.
No, I have no signal. We are too deep under the water.
It is freezing in here. I am cold. Put on your jackets. We must wait. Mom, there is no air. It is hard to breathe.
Stay calm, everybody. Do not talk. Save your oxygen.
Max is looking at the window. He is not sitting down. Quiet, Max. Quiet, Max. Sit down.
Shh. Listen. What do you hear, Max?
What is that noise? Is it the shark? Look at the window! A red light! A red light! Flashlights! Someone is outside!
We are in here! We are in here! This is Rescue Control. We have located your vessel.
Yes, we hear you!
Brace yourselves! I've got you, Lily!
What is that?
They're finally here!
We are moving up!
Yes! We are going to the surface! Fresh air is waiting!
You heard them first, Max.
You looked at the window.
Good boy, Max. You saved us again.
Take a deep breath, everyone. Everything is okay now.
We are safe. Let's go home.